Righty guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm going to get straight on with it. This is how I have improved my learning in developing my artistic skills to become a better drawer and sketcher, essentially, for the fundamentals of art. And this is my way of getting better to then progress into different and other mediums like painting and charcoals and different things like that. But let's get on with the video because it's super short. It's just, these videos are designed to analyse my drawings to see what I could do better and what I've done fairly well. So 1, 2, 3 drawings, 4th area for an analysis. These are quick sketches, so 4 minutes each with a 1 minute analysis each time, so it's really quickly done, and then you can get a really good way of getting feedback and progress quicker and get better, and yeah, it's just a really good and effective way. So let's just get on with it. So good speed for all 3. I found this one more difficult. This is an actual statue, an ancient statue. Sorry, the light is coming in and it's casting a shadow over my drawings. These are drawings from a reference of an ancient Grecian statue, which the subject is actually stone, and it's just a bust. It's the head and a bust. So I found it really interesting to draw. Sorry, it's terrible light now. So good speed, really difficult subject, but I wanted to push out my comfort zone so that I could progress quicker and not become complacent, essentially. I did run out of time to finish off the hair, and I found the hair was quite a difficult one to do because it was curly but it's also in stone, so I didn't know how to do it with the timing aspect, which that might just be one of those things where you then decide if you want to spend more time on detail, specific detail. It's like these drawings aren't designed to spend much time on one specific aspect. So say eyes, that was really difficult for me to get out, and I don't know why. So I'm happy with the first try. Second drawing, good speed, again ran out of time to complete the hair. Same methods, Loomis and observational for both. I should have said that for that one. So Loomis and observational for both drawings, but I'm starting to get happier with the results, specifically around the eye area, and the nose was actually chipped off and there was a massive crack in the eyebrow. Third one, I actually finished it 1 minute early, so I just couldn't get the hair this time. I don't know what it was, I just couldn't get it. I did apply a simpler version of the Loomis and observational. It was literally head shape, line where the eyes would be, and then I used my mind's eye, so like how many eyes down were the nose and the mouth and different things like that. And the extra lines here and here it looked as if the face was fuller and also like a double chin, so hence why there's a line down here. Same methods as before, Loomis and observational, and I made that the head slightly narrower just to see what the effect would be, whether it would actually work out. I do prefer number 2, and I do feel that that's the closest representation of the reference picture and the statue. So I'll keep going. Let me know what you think. Subscribe and stay with me while I perfect, no, not perfect, because I'm never going to be perfectionist, but become a more proficient and better artist. Thanks guys, bye!